AC mains, trigger, AC mains. Yan po sir, triggered na po AC mains. Clear po namin po. AC mains.
Ay, pucha, ba't ba ako?
AC mains po, clear. Tissue port. Next game. Tissue port triggered. Clear. Game. Yan po, clear na po tissue port natin. Next DC under voltage. DC under voltage, trigger na po. DC under voltage cleared. Next po, fuse blown.
Ito, tara lang. Bakit yan?
Fuse blown po. Triggered. Clear na po. Next SPD port. SPD port triggered na po. SPD port po cleared. Keep it in. G SPD port cleared. Next pan assembly. Pan assembly po. High temp. Pan assembly po. Clear pa clear. Pa assembly po. Cleared na po. Thank you.